HBAR. Where do we think HBAR can go? Where can we get a pullback for HBAR? I'm bullish on HBAR. Want to get this at 5 cents HBAR. We've missed the move HBAR. Well, we're here to answer that question for you guys. HBAR barbarians. What's going on? Alex Crypto here. Thank you guys so much for being here. Appreciate every single one of you. Now let's look at this. We're looking at this on the day before Thanksgiving, so I hope you guys are all blessed. Let's take a look. We can pull volume straight across here. We haven't gotten that massive move like a lot of the other altcoins, okay? We have moved up. However, we are still very close to this point of control of the downwards range, so this is very good to see. Is this a good opportunity? Quite possibly, if you are bullish in the long term on HBAR, right? A lot of things have dropped over 90%. Okay, so don't get it twisted. We do want better prices. However, this is a pretty nice price. Now, looking at this objectively, we have a beautiful point of control here that is holding us still. Okay, you can see there is a level right here that is holding us very, very tight-knit within it. Okay, so we can see that this is holding us nicely within this range. You can see we've had a little bit of a move to the upside with a smash back down and vice versa to the downside. Okay, so we've pulled up these levels, we've gone through, we've done the TA. Let's take a look and see what else we can find and where the Fibonacci golden pocket is for a complete retracement, and that would be just in line with our 0.054 cent area. Okay, so we are going to mark out key levels in which we think we can get a pullback, because 40% pullbacks on the Bitcoin price are always on the table during a bull run. Okay, they want to wreck the longs and the shorts all in the same time. So let's be prepared. Where can we set a limit order on our exchanges in order to buy some HBAR? Now, if you're bullish on HBAR, we have those prices for you very, very simply as such. Okay, so we know that this is a point of control holding us up. So that's going to be our initial buy spot. Is this psychologically 6 cent area? Okay, so we just want to go psychologically, make it easier on yourself. You know that price typically wants to come around this area, this 6 cents. And how do we know that? Because it's the point of control of the range. However, there are a couple stops along the way which match alongside with this narrative. Now, with this narrative, I mean this. When we get a pullback on Bitcoin, you can tend to see alts get a sharper one and a spike up, okay? We're trying to catch those wicks. We're trying to be like John Wick's uncle and being like, you know what? We're ready. We're ready. We're preparing ourselves because we want to fill up our bags a little bit more before we go to the moon. So this is how we do it, right? We set limit orders on spot so that we can accumulate at lower prices. Now, the best of the best I think we're going to see for HBARs is just above this 5 cent area. Now, you can see this very simply on the weekly. If you mark out this lower trend line heading upwards, you can see that we are starting to see some sort of triangle forming here. So if we do curl within it, we can look for a massive pop to the upside following the price action as well. So we need to be cautious. However, we also need to know where these levels are below us, how we can trade them, and how we can get a better buy-in position. So by having these positions, you can see, yeah, you can raise this a little bit, but we want to try and catch these drops, okay? And by catching them, you can look for these price targets in the future, okay? So I hope this helps. Hope this gets to you well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We would love to have you. Great community, free Discord. Link is in the description below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love to every single one, and have a wonderful, safe Thanksgiving. Peace out.